Alright guys, so here the stock low beams are on the Outlander 850 XMR 2021. We're getting ready to throw in LEDs, so I thought I'd let you see what the stock ones look like. That's low beams. I'll get a video of how bright they are shining down the road here in just a second. That's a look at low beam. I'll do high beam here. There's your high beam. Of course, that's going to be bright. Looking directly into them. They're not a bad color. They're fairly white. I mean, they're not like a super yellow looking color at all. So they actually do look, for a stock bulb and everything, they actually look pretty good. So I'm kind of interested to see what it looks like after we throw in the LEDs. Doing this on a cold winter's night, so I hope you guys appreciate the video. Favorite, like, share, and subscribe. Thumbs up. Gotta throw that in all the time. I'm kidding. But yeah, so alright, let's see what they look like shining down the road. So now here's low beam on the road. That sign is lit up just barely. Can't really see a whole lot else down there. That's high beam. You can kind of see a camper down there, garage. So let's get the LEDs in and we'll check them out and see how they look. Hi guys, so welcome back. We are going to be installing these Fahren LED lights on the Can Am Outlander, and the H11 bulbs are your low beams and the H10 are your highs. So these here outer ones are your low beams, these are your high beams. So these are H11, H10. So they're real easy to undo. All you do, you have a back connector here. You just sit here, just twist this, then it pops out. Unplug it from the base right here and plug in your new one. Pretty easy. So now that we got our old H11 bulb out of there, here's the new ones here. Come with a nice little case kind of. Just pop this open. Here's your bulbs right here. And they got like these little miniature ballasts. So it's basically a bulb and a ballast all in one. So you just go ahead, plug this in, twist it, and then hook this up to where the factory spot goes. So I need two ends to do that, so let me do that quick. Alright guys, I'm not sure if you'll be able to tell on the video, but I did get the low beam and high beam switched out. And the low beam on the right is the new LED one. The other one on the left is the old one. But the one on the right, as you're looking at it, is actually definitely, it looks quite a bit brighter and it's actually a lot whiter. So let me go to high beam here. So there's high beam. Not sure if you guys can tell a difference. I haven't put my garage door down and check if you can see that way, but I know on the video it kind of looks the same, but in person the ones on the right are a lot more, they're more of a definite white color. So I'll throw the garage door down and get a couple photos quick. There's your difference in colors and beam right there. The new ones are on the left, old ones are on the right. That's low beam. And that's high beam for you. New one's on the left, old one is on the right. So yeah, you can tell it's a lot whiter light. Alright guys, here the new headlights are. These are the low beams. Got them both in. They are definitely a lot whiter. I'm not exactly sure how much brighter they are with both of them in, but we will find out in a minute. I'll switch to high beam. Let's check them out. Okay, that is high beam. Also LEDs. Definitely a lot whiter. hopefully it shows up on video, but they're just a really nice white color. No blue tint to them or nothing, so should light up pretty good, be good in the rain, stuff like that. Yeah. Let me know what you think down in the comments. I'll have a link to them down below. Yeah, loving the new Outlander. Darn sure looks nice, especially at nighttime. Look at that thing. Whew, what a beast. Just coming together, guys. Next is exhaust, programmer, and a couple other small updates, but other than that, it's coming together pretty darn well so far. Maybe radiator cover, but I haven't figured out what I want to do on there, because if I go a yellow one, that's too much yellow. If you go black, it doesn't really stand out much, so I'm still debating on that one. Not sure yet. I haven't fully made up my mind, but we'll see. Alright guys, this is low beam. This is low beam looking down the road in the same spot. I'll try and go back and forth on the video so we can see a difference or not. Seems more white to me, and now we'll go to high beam. And that's high beam. On the video it doesn't show up, but I can see the camper and the houses by the camper. So it's hard to tell. We'll look at the video and see which ones look better. But these here just look like a more white light for now. So after watching the video, guys, it looks like the stock headlights actually shine further or light up more stuff, just watching the video back. But the new ones are definitely, like I say, more of a white color. So as far as I can tell, the 3 times the light output or whatever they claim, yeah, I don't believe that. But if you want something that's kind of just a brighter white rather than that kind of little bit dullish yellow, I'd recommend them for that. But if you're looking for a higher light output, I would say just go a light bar and be done with it. So hope you liked the video, guys. Favorite, like, share, and subscribe. We'll have a link down below to these or other LED headlights for your Can Am Outlander. So yeah, just click on the link, check it out, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the video, think of the content, and thanks for supporting the channel, guys. We'll catch you later.